How to play Spotify while playing Roblox. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Spotify. Enter your login credential and then sign into your account. It will land you on this page. Head over to any of the songs that you want to play while playing Roblox. Let's say I want to listen to this song. Once you have played this song, go back and head over to your application Roblox. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Now what you want to do is, head over to any of the game that you want to play. Tap on this play icon at the bottom. Wait for a while for it to connect. There you go, your Roblox game has been started. Right now you can feel that the Spotify song has been paused. In order to play it, what you want to do is, swipe down the screen and then tap on this play button. The song will start to play again. Now simply go back to your game and then continue it. Now you will be able to listen to Spotify and then play the Roblox game. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial on how to play Spotify while playing the Roblox. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.